Cabral Gold is advancing the Cuiú Cuiú Gold District in the Tapajós region of northern Brazil. The Tapajós region is one of the most prolific gold regions on the planet. What makes Cabral unique is that Cuiú Cuiú brings together three things you rarely see in the junior gold space at the same time. A large-scale gold district with real exploration upside, a clear path to near-term production, and a fully funded development strategy built to create lasting shareholder value. As a company, we're entering a transformational phase. We're evolving from a junior exploration company into a gold producer with district-scale growth potential. Cabral controls 100% of the Cuiú Cuiú Gold District. The project is located immediately adjacent to G Mining's Tocantinzinho gold mine, one of Brazil's largest operating gold mines. But Cuiú Cuiú is fundamentally different. Tocantinzinho is a single deposit. Cuiú Cuiú encompasses an entire gold district. Historically, Cuiú Cuiú was the largest placer gold camp in the Tapajós region. It produced an estimated 2 million ounces during the 1980s Tapajós gold rush, the world's largest. Brazil's National Mining Agency estimates the broader region produced 30 to 50 million ounces of placer gold, and yet the primary hard rock sources for all that placer gold are still mainly undiscovered. Our view has always been simple. That much placer gold must mean that significant hard rock deposits remain concealed, waiting to be discovered. So far, we've identified 6 gold deposits plus 50 peripheral exploration targets across the Cuiú Cuiú district. But most of this district remains unexplored. So far, we've outlined over 1.2 million ounces of indicated and inferred NI 43-101 compliant gold resources. But we believe that represents only a fraction of the gold at Cuiú Cuiú. Recent drilling continues to demonstrate both scale and grade. As an example, we recently drilled 9.5 meters at 87.4 grams per ton gold at Jeremunçima, which is outside the existing resource base. Many of these discoveries are still open. Numerous high-priority targets haven't been touched yet. The gold-in-soil anomaly at Cuiú Cuiú extends approximately 7 kilometers and is substantially larger than the anomaly at Tocantinzinho. This suggests that we're dealing with a much larger mineralized system. Our objective isn't to define a single gold deposit, it's to define and develop a major gold district. Phase 1 of our development strategy is focused on a low-capital oxide heap leach operation targeting near-surface gold. This material requires no crushing or grinding, which significantly reduces both capital and operating costs. The starter operation is fully funded. At a gold price of $2,500 per ounce, the mine is expected to generate a 78% post-tax internal rate of return and a 10-month payback with an all-in sustaining cost of $1,200 per ounce. This will generate early cash flow while we continue advancing the much larger hard rock opportunity, which is below the near-surface oxide material. Cabral completed a $45 million US gold-backed financing facility to fund the Stage 1 construction and maintains an active and ongoing exploration drilling program with several drill rigs. That's a position very few junior gold companies are actually in right now. Construction at Cuiú Cuiú is advancing across engineering, procurement, and site infrastructure. At the same time, exploration drilling continues across multiple targets. This dual-track approach allows us to build value on multiple fronts simultaneously. Our team has extensive experience discovering and developing gold deposits in northern Brazil, with direct involvement in multiple discoveries that went all the way to production. The Tapajós region remains one of the most underexplored and yet prospective gold regions in the world. We recognized that potential several years ago, and we believe Cuiú Cuiú is one of the most significant district-scale opportunities being advanced by any junior gold mining company today. Cabral Gold offers investors something that's rare in the junior mining space: a district-scale gold system in one of Brazil's premier mining regions, multiple discoveries with substantial exploration upside, a low capital path to production, strong project economics, and a fully funded strategy built for long-term growth. What makes Cabral particularly compelling is the model we're building at Cuiú Cuiú. Our Phase 1 oxide heap leach operation is designed to generate meaningful cash flow every year early on. That cash flow will be reinvested directly into expanding the district through exploration and advancing the much larger hard rock opportunity that is located below the oxide material. Simply put, we're building a potential pathway to grow the company organically while minimizing shareholder dilution. That combination of production, exploration, and district-scale upside is very rare among junior gold companies today. At Cabral, we're not just building a mine, we're unlocking what we believe will become Brazil's next major gold district.